So guys and girls, this is the second time that I've made a run on my grass, just the front property. This is 1 week from the last one that I did. And you can see that it's picked up a lot of stuff. Still got a bunch of thatch in the air intakes, but when you looked at the grass originally, you wouldn't think that there was that much hiding down there. So all this is keeping your grass from basically breathing, and it's a breeding ground for weeds and all kinds of stuff. So I gotta say, I'm very impressed. The robins like it too. Now, interesting thing is, have we broken anything? So machine's unplugged. It's okay to spin this around. Yeah, we've got all the tines there still. So if you stop before you turn, don't pull it backwards, and just go at the pace of the machine, I don't think you're going to have any issues. Eventually these will break, of course, but for right now, everything looks good. I will say I've got some mud and debris that's caked up in there that I'll have to get rid of, but that's because it's early in the morning and we had just maybe a little bit of dew or frost on the ground. So yes, very impressed. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. Think about hitting that subscribe button, posting videos like this frequently. And until the next time, take her easy, guys and girls.